What's up, guys, and welcome to Dancing with Tech. Today we're gonna be going over some really cool cases from Ghostek. Yep, these cases. They was nice enough to send me these cases so I can review them all, and these cases are compatible for the Google Pixel 7 Pro. So if you're looking for some cases for the Pixel series, they have them on any other phone. So further ado, I just want to thank them again for sponsoring today's videos. And also, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and make sure to like this video for really more awesome, cool content. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to start off with the first case. Now, this is one of my favorite cases because of the, I guess, the orange reddish type color. But this is a RX Impact technology and has a certified drop test at 8 feet. And it's anti-fingerprint coating, and most of the cases will have the same specifications, just to let you guys know. And like I said, this is for the Google Pixel 7 Pro. I don't know if you can see it clearly or not, but let's go ahead and open this up. So go ahead, open this up, got a case, put this right here for right now. Get a little insert, agent of Ghostek, and you got your card, there's socials and stuff like that. You guys check them out, buy some products from them. And so thank you for your purchase, agent. Got your QR code, and let's see. And we got a little smiley face, like a Dr. Robotnik smiley face, or like a duck smiley face. Anyways, move these to the side. Now let's see how this look. Okay, look at this. Yeah, it's definitely looking more like an orange type color. Yeah, let's see if this charges. Okay, let's see how this do. And we see it charging, so that's good stuff. So we know that these cases will at least charge. And like I said, I like this, protective. And you look at them, it has a little protective for like your drops. So I guess your phone drops like on the corners and stuff like that. It's assuming it's guaranteeing protection from each of them. So let's go to the next one. Let's throw them to the side. All right, another one. Okay, I like this color. It's not bad. Same stuff. Good stickers and all this good stuff. Just throw this to the side. Go ahead, let's look at this. And while you guys are watching, you tell me what's your favorite color case. Look at this. I like this. This is actually nice. It goes really good with the phone. And like I said, we already, we know it will charge with the casing. And we know it has drop test, so you can see the more if it hits the bumper right here. Bumper. It looks nice though. I mean, I can't even complain. Let's go get another one. Right here, we already know all the stuff says. No need to keep repeating the same thing. All right. And like I said, if you guys, skip around the video, this is from Ghostek. I'm gonna leave all the social information in the description below. Oh, I really like this case. Look at this. Definitely goes well with my phone. Look at this. And again, you could definitely see how defined this is from a 8-foot drop test. Okay. All right. So now we're about to go into these cases. And these says limited edition. Not sure you can see it. Let me see. Here we go. Limited edition. So I'm curious about these cases. Let's see why they're so limited. All right. Oh man, blue is my favorite color. I like all shades of blue. Let's go ahead and put this on real quick. Oh yeah, I like this. All right, let's see, make sure this charge up. And what is, okay, so this is 28 out of 100. So guys, you see this, you gotta make sure you grab these cases because these are limited edition, 28 out of 100. We're gonna go ahead and bypass the other stuff and look at this. And this right here is 10 out of 100. So I really like this. So let's see how this looks. Yeah, and something while we're looking at it, we need to find out the feet, how the certification of how it could drop and stuff like that. I'm damn curious about that, so we'll catch on the next one. And oh, I'm talking about the little logo, right? This is actually Ghostek logo. Of course I knew that. I'm just playing with you guys. All right, next one. Turquoise. My wife's favorite color. So, you should get the same stuff in these cases. I'm assuming all these, have at least 6 feet drop test. And let's go here. I like this. I really like this case. And also too with this case right here, we're gonna look at it, and this is 50 out of 100. So basically I got piece number 50, and if you guys wait too long, it may not be available. So keep that in mind while you seeking, for a case, because like I said, they're definitely protected, they're certified. So let's go to the next case. All right. So far, I think my favorite one is that blue. I'm gonna be honest with you. I like blue. And like I said, this teal don't look bad. Cause like I said, a lot of these cases, you could take them around everyday uses. You could take them for different special occasions or whatever you may be going. I think with these cases and stuff like that, you have a case for every single day. And that's the thing I like about the most, because, you can still see your phone. It's not, being completely covered up, but you still have your protection, so I like this. So the next one is the red case. This is 75 out of 100. And like I said before, you still get the same inserts. You get the same information. I don't see anything else different. All right. So let's see how this looks on this phone. Oh yeah, oh, this is nice. So okay, so this looks like it's more red, because the other case I was doing earlier, so that's more, so this is more like an orange. Yeah, okay, so we got red and orange or pink or whatever, maybe a pink. So let's go to the next one. All right, this is the final one. Ooh, and we got purple. I like purple. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like I said again, you could take these cases every day around, got protection, they will charge. So got your everyday protection. You drop your phone to the side of your phones, it's gonna protect it. And then if you look at the bump, right, I don't know if you can see it. See how the lip go over a little bit of the screen right here? So you're getting protection. Now, do I just say don't have no screen protector? I would never say not to have a screen protector on any phone, because these phones cost too much money not to have a screen protector. But, you have really good protection. So when your phone drops, this is gonna protect it. And again, you have your stuff right here. And this is piece 40 out of 100. All right, so these cases are really nice to look at, and like I said before, they all have protection, at least 8 feet drop protection. And it's, they do have shock proof. They're anti-yellowing up to 18 months. You may get longer. They're definitely scratch resistant, wireless charging, reverse charging, raised screen bumper. They have camera border overlap, anti-slip grip, and they have a lifetime warranty. So that's the biggest thing about me having a lifetime warranty. So if something go wrong, you just hit them up and they got you covered. So, I think this is really good to know about these cases. And also, so let me lay out a little more features. Now, of course, they're minimalistic, they're lightweight, so definitely lightweight, and they're definitely scratch proof with a crystal clear back. So you see this, they RX2 shock absorbent corners. So these corners, when I was talking, we really can't see on here, but you look inside here, the shock resistant corners. You see this, y'all? And so that's what they're talking about. And obviously, definitely with me, it definitely has a comfortable grip. Cause you see the little grippers and stuff right here. You can grip it and you can hold it. And it's military grade dry test. Also, if you want about the price tag, now these range anywhere between $17.98 to $29.99. So like I say, they do have other products, but these range between $17.98 to $30 basically. And you guys go, like I said, go to the site and check out. But like I said, remember, get these as soon as possible because right now it's a limited edition. And they only got 100 pieces for some of this stuff. So if you guys have any questions, please definitely let me know. Well, that concludes my video today. Like I said, I have to say this is my favorite case. As I asked you guys before, like, what color is your favorite? Got a few colors, like I said, that you guys might want to check out. But like I said, this is definitely my favorite color. Maybe because I'm a blue guy. Well, not blue guy, but I just love blue. But anyways, like I said before, I will leave all of Ghostek information in the description below. And also make sure to subscribe to the channel, especially if you're into futuristic series, the top 10 series, and some hardcore tech information. Until next time, guys, I shall see you guys later.